Good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss about the compound DC generator. Compound DC generator characteristics. Generator characteristics. First of all, we have to discuss about the classification of the compound DC generator. Compound DC generator, if we are talking about the equivalent circuit, the equivalent circuit may draw. This is the armature winding. EMF EA is induced in armature winding. This is the armature resistance RA, and this is the field resistance RSH, and this is the series field winding RSE, and terminal voltage VT across these 2 points. The compound DC generator is classified into, if we are talking about compound DC generator, compound DC generator may be classified into cumulative compound DC generator. This may be further classified into over compound, label compound, and under compound. In a over compound, terminal voltage VT increases with increases to IL, where level compound VT is constant with increasing IL. If we talking about the under compound, the VT terminal voltage decreases with the increases the IL. लोड करंट को बढ़ाते हैं तो हमारा टर्मिनल वोल्टेज डिक्रीज होता है। लेवल कंपाउंड के अंदर जो है टर्मिनल वोल्टेज कांस्टेंट होता है। अगर हम लोड करंट को बढ़ाते हैं तो उस केस में भी जो है टर्मिनल वोल्टेज जो है हमारा कांस्टेंट होता है। इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द ओवर कंपाउंड डीसी जनरेटर, then the terminal voltage increases with the increases with the increasing the load current. These are the classification of the cumulative compound DC generator. Second जो है differentially compound, differentially compound. If we are talking about cumulative compound, then the series, the shunt field winding and series field winding supported to each other. Here, if we are talking about the differential compound, then the shunt and shunt field winding and series field winding opposes to each other. These are the basic definition of the differential compound, and these are the definition of the cumulative compound. Cumulative compound may be further classified into three categories: over compound, label compound, and under compound. In over compound, terminal voltage increases the load current. If we are talking about the compound cumulative compound DC generator, then the terminal voltage is constant while load current is increases. In a under compound, terminal voltage is decreases with increases the load current. These are the basic concept of the uh, cumulative compound DC generators. Then we will discuss the external characteristics of the compound DC generator. These are IL, VT, over, label, under compound. Compound. These are the differential. Compound. These are external characteristics. Of DC compound generator. Thank you very much.